Hello, what is up everyone, RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video, and today we have the Lotus Evija, number 3 out of 10 from Hot Wheels Green Speed, and number 84 out of 250, so let's go ahead and open this up. So I believe some of you might know this by now. This is, first of all, this is not the Super Treasure Hunt, and second of all, this is available in the Diecast as a treasure hunt, but this is obviously not the treasure hunt. This is basically the regular version in this awesome looking dark metallic maroon, which I do quite like. And first things first, yeah, like I said just now, it's available in the Diecast as well as the E-case, which I don't remember how many there were, but yeah, this car is simply awesome when it comes to awesome, like great looking colors that kind of matches the car and is quite suitable. I do not know why Mattel has not decided to make a plain silver version, which many people have been asking for, because obviously it's the main color of the Evija, but well, we'll just have to wait and see. So yeah, here it is. Let's go ahead and take a look itself. I did do a review about this car, like I believe it was from the P case of 2022, if I'm not mistaken. Was it the N case or the P case? It released as a first color in British Racing Green. You can go check it out in my channel. I don't remember whether it's in the N case or the P case, but it's somewhere at the end of 2022's mix. But overall, it is quite an awesome car and awesome color that they've chosen for the first color. But yeah, here we have the second color, and yeah, it just looks quite amazing as well. Here we have these type of triangular wheels with yeah, obviously it's in this silver color, which yeah, looks pretty good as well. And yeah, obviously the side's pretty clean. You have some pretty interesting looking details right here, but overall looks pretty nice. Moving on to the front, you have the obviously the logo of Lotus, and some people say logo, some people say emblem, but I'll just stick to a logo. So basically you have the headlights, which are obviously detailed. Even in the first casting itself, it had the headlights, but overall seems pretty simplistic and quite cool. Overall pretty nice. Moving on to the back, yeah, I do not see the rear lights, which I think it's because of the car's color, but it's fine without the rear lights. It's not obviously noticeable, but still quite okay. And then I believe it says Lotus right at the back right there. Yeah, you can see you have a bit of the rear light down here at the diffuser right there, which is pretty nice. You have the massive rear wing at the back, which is obviously metal, as you can see right there. And I forgot to mention the roof. The roof is basically in plastic, including the windshield as well as the side windows, including the back, which is pretty nice. It's quite tinted in there. I'm not sure what's the color of the interior. Maybe it is in black, or maybe it's in that dark gray. I'm not entirely sure, but it's quite dark in there. I think it's black. I'm not entirely sure, but yeah, it's quite dark, so I can't really see what's the interior in there. But yeah, overall it's still quite good. And yeah, here's the base in this black color right here, as you can see. Lotus Evija, made in Malaysia, 2021 Mattel. But yeah, there you go. That is my review of the Lotus Evija. Hopefully they will make more colors of this, and maybe even make a racing version out of this, hopefully, because as you may know, this is a car with 1,000 horsepower, as you can see. And you already know, I did talk about this in the previous Lotus Evija video. It had the 4 electric motors, if I'm not mistaken, which is quite powerful, and it might just get an actual racing livery. Who knows? Maybe maybe Mattel might do a racing version of this. I mean, with the least racing livery or something. And hopefully it does come out in car culture soon. Hopefully, maybe in the next Exotic Envy. Who knows? Maybe. It would have been a great casting if it did release in Exotic Envy. Hopefully it does come out in more and more type of main lines or even car culture. Hopefully maybe it does come out in maybe the future speed machines. Who knows? Maybe it could potentially be an upcoming speed machine, which is quite cool. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.